Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we'll be showing you how to install the Agitator repair kit. It's going to be a very easy repair and it should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or order it from AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the kit, you're going to get an instruction sheet, a new agitator cam, the new retaining bearing, and 4 agitator dogs. Before we can install the agitator cam kit, we have to go ahead and pre-assemble it so we can put it into the agitator. When you put the agitator dogs into the agitator cam, just line them up and slide them into the hole, making sure that the curve goes with the cam. If you put them in the wrong way, it won't agitate properly. Once you have the dogs in place, go ahead and take your bearing, line it up with the 4 slots, and push it down to hold the dogs in place. The main reasons you'd be changing out the agitator repair kit is if any of the plastic pieces wore out, or if the teeth wore off the agitator dogs and they're no longer engaging in the upper agitator. And if you're wondering why they call them agitator dogs, it's because the upper agitator has a row of teeth in it, just like the agitator dogs have teeth on them. And when the transmission drives the dogs, they engage in the upper agitator, agitating your clothes properly so they wash. And dog is the term that they use when 2 rings of teeth or gears work together to drive something, like a dog clutch. First, we have to go ahead and open up the washer lid to gain access to the inside of the washer. We have to go ahead and remove the fabric dispenser. Our particular model just pulls off. Other fabric dispensers may have a lock ring that you have to pull up on to disengage and then lift up on the fabric dispenser, and then there's probably going to be a cap underneath it. You'll have to pry off the cap with a flathead screwdriver. Most models have a dust cap. We need to pull it out so we can get to the agitator bolt. If the dust cap seal is damaged, you should order a new one from AppliancePartsPros.com. To remove the upper agitator, we have to remove the bolt that holds it in place. So grab your 7/16 inch socket. It may be a little tight, so you have to reach down inside the tub and hold the lower agitator while you break it free. With the upper agitator out of the machine, we can go ahead and dump it out, get the old parts out, and get ready to put the new ones in. All right, now that we have the new assembly, we can go ahead and put it down inside the upper agitator. There it is in place. Then we can set the agitator back into the machine and put the bolt back in to hold it down. Hold your finger onto the screw and guide it back down into the hole. Once you have it in there, go ahead and tighten it down. Once the agitator bolt starts to tighten down, you may have to reach inside the washer tub to hold the lower agitator so it doesn't spin. Once you have the bolt installed, we have to put back in the dust cap. This sometimes goes in and pulls off the seal, so make sure you take a drop of liquid detergent and put it around the edge so it slides down into place nice and easy. We can reinstall any cap or fabric dispenser you took off to get the agitator out. Just go ahead and snap it back in place. Ours is just the snap-in type, so that's all you got to do. Now that we have everything reinstalled, we can go ahead and plug it back in and take it for a test spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.